Here we've got a 2600 1631, I believe. Yeah, 1631. It's got row cleaners on. It's got Dawn trash cleaners, which a lot of guys no-till with those. This planter has it does have decent openers on it. Got box extensions. We've done absolutely nothing with it. This is the way it come in. It needs a new rubber closing wheels. It does have the Kinze bean meters in it. It actually has corn meters in the back rows. It's got corn meters on the back 16 rows, and it's got bean meters in the fronts. It's got these trash whips. It's got fertilize on it that they've been running behind the row, it looks like. It is on 30-inch corn rows, 15-inch splitter rows. I think the openers on this are pretty decent all around. It's got the tightener kits on the gauge wheels. So the bad part on this planter, let me just show you the right here. Right here we do have non-factory welds on the transport right here, okay? Where they've reinforced it, that's where they break when they break. It's good up top. It's got the tanks on it. We'll go to the other side, see if I missed anything. Right in there's some non-factory welds. It does have the fertilized equipment on it. I don't know when that fertilized equipment was used last, but what you see on there is what we got with it. It's got a lot of equipment. Okay, the worst part is probably the non-factory weld over on the transport on the right side.